Alright, here we're looking at how to find trending tokens on chain. Remember, there is no hard and fast rule, like there is no particular procedure of finding tokens, trending tokens that are going to, it just depends on the pattern that works for you. Now we're going to check out Sol. We will check out Solana blockchain to see what is going on there. So, but now everything looks kind of fabricated, everybody pays for boosts and everything on here, and a lot of things are not very distinct. So we're going to check on a trending token before now. We'll check on Vine. I think Vine made the headlines a few days ago. So now you click on Vine and head over to the top traders. Head over to people that are sold successfully, because you wouldn't want to check on people that are still holding and all those stuff. It's nice to check for them, but you will look at here and look at somebody that bought with a fairly low amount of money that you are sure that it's somewhere within the amount of money you can use to whip a coin, because some people are definitely very rich. So we are still looking, we're still on the look. Okay, then we see 1,500 to 200k. I think this is a big win here. So you check out for this guy. Check out for him. See his holdings. See, I think this is his main trading wallet. He hasn't removed all the gains he made in the past, and he still has 7 million. 7 million worth of purple. So now you are trying to look at what he's doing. What is he doing? What is he buying? So now this is his wallet here. 3k NUN. So this is his wallet. He value 10 Sol. Photon program. He traded on Photon for the last 5 hours ago. You check on his transfers. Check on his transfers and see he bought 6 million worth of fat family. I think 5 hours ago. Is the fat coin meta coming back? Because during the time of Chill guy, fat Chill family also went viral. It went viral then during the time of Chill guy. So you are checking out this now to see what is going on, and you're seeing that he has current supply of hold as 882, and he bought it 5 hours ago. What could he know that is giving him an edge? So you pick up this particular token now and scan it, and your due diligence and all that. This particular procedure is applicable and is same for ETH coins. Let's say we want to check that same coin on ETH now to find the trending tokens and trending tokens and on chain and people to follow on chain. Is basically people, because most times these DEX Screener and platforms, they don't bring it out early enough. And Solana, yeah, you're either on pump fund or you're not on pump fund to get it early. So you want to check this on Earth now. What do? You try and make use of this KQ's guy, Maximus. So you look at top traders, people that bought for relatively low amount of money and sold for a high value. I think 90k. Man, but we're not looking for 90k. Okay, we're looking for this, and we found him. And $900 to 100k. So that's over 100x or so. Yeah, so this is it. Now you're looking for what he did. This is his wallet here. DA298. This is wallet moving out, sending stuff out to different wallets. So you're going to look at internal transactions and see. I think it was active last 10 days. You check token transfers. This is how you're going to actually know people trading and all that stuff. 36 hours ago. And then what did he buy last 9 days? He bought Turkey, and he bought 449 million worth of Turkey. Okay, he sent it out, he sold out. Okay, and he bought for here, he bought here and sold here. So yeah. So if this is not a dev wallet, I think it's worthy of looking at and watching out for what is going on chain.